Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Do you struggle with vocal problems that hinder your talking or public speaking? There's a common mistake many people make when trying to fix their voice issues. Try this water cup straw hack, your voice will thank you later. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
What are you doing?
Filling the cup up a little bit.
What's it for?
That much.
For what?
For voice exercise, which I'll explain in a little bit.
Well, come up. All right. You filled that glass up. That's for an exercise for voice practice. What is this?
Just voice exercises that coordinate the vocal cords and your breathing.
So what do you have to do? You're going to show me?
Yeah. You just blow into the straw and try to keep the bubbles even.
Okay.
You don't want them.
So this is more about like breath control than actual
Yeah.
speaking exercise? Now, how many times you got to do this? You keep taking breaths and doing it?
Yeah. I do each exercise 5 times. And this one is air and voice. The first one was only air. Now we're gonna do this with what they call vocal runs.
Is that it?
No, not yet. The key to all these exercises is to keep the bubbles even or make sure they don't come out the glass. And this one coming up was at first very hard for me. It was impossible for me to do. But after practicing and practicing, I was able to accomplish it.
Gotcha.
What it does is it coordinates your breathing with your voice box.
So you want to keep the airflow the same. You don't want too many, or too little bubbles, correct?
Get closer and watch what I'm doing. Get really close on the cup. I'm gonna engage my voice and turn it off with the bubbles still going. And then I read out loud, and I have a book on the iPad, and I just read a few pages a day, and I do this 3 to 4 times a day. And after that, just keep doing it every day, and hopefully your voice becomes better.
Have you noticed yours improve?
Yeah, through the voice exercises and the symptoms.
Okay.
But again, that nerve that runs from the cerebellum to your voice box, that is significantly damaged. And that gets better over time. This just speeds up the process.
Yeah.
The water cup straw hack offers numerous advantages, including reducing vocal strain, improving vocal control, and enhancing your overall vocal quality. We encourage you to give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself. Now, it's your turn to take action.